Hi everyone, this is Jimmy Vlogs, a Filipino based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video, the alphas of ano tawag sa kanila? The alphas of P-pop girl group in the Philippines, should I say? The vocals. The G22 performs Babalik Live on Wish 107.5. Actually, nagkaroon talaga ako ng interest na gawan ko siya ng reaction video because I watched their performance in Mango TV, and oh my goodness gracious, that is the first time that I watched them, I heard them, I made a reaction video to them, and it was hilarious, should I say. It was awesome. Parang beyond expectation ang narinig ko sa kanila sa mga boses nila. Plus their visuals as well. They're really, really pretty. Actually, this performance, or yeah, dito sa Wish 107.5, there were 4 members. But ang nakita ko lang is tatlo, which is Althea, Jazz, and AJ. And basically, Althea talaga really caught my attention talaga. Aside from, her voice is really sexy. Her voice is such an orgasm. Please don't get me wrong, lahat naman sila or most of them, I mean sa tatlo sila, magagaling talaga silang kumanta. Magagaling talaga silang sumayaw somehow kasi nakita ko din yung kanilang performance na ginawa ko din ng reaction video. Pero kasi I really don't know, there is something like, meron talaga si Althea na hindi ko ma-distinguish kung ano yun, but the way she look at the camera, she's really, really sexy. Alam mo yung very classy, very expensive and whatnot. But without further ado, let's all watch this. Wala tayo dun para what do you call it? Gawa ng reaction video ang kanilang physical appearance, should I say. Dito tayo sa kanilang performance. Kasi ang ganda ng harmonization talaga nila sa kantang to. And alam mo, sinave ko na to. I mean, nasa Spotify ko na tong babalik nila. Sa totoo lang. So, yeah, without further ado, let's all watch this. Nauutal ako kasi excited. Ay, apat sila. What's the other member? What's the other name? Yeah. Yes. Alam mo yung nagmumurmur pa lang sila pero ramdam na ramdam mo na yung emotion. Gets nyo ba yung bihira lang ako? Alam mo yung pag gumagawa ako ng reaction video, nakakaramdam lang ako ng ganitong classic feelings. Pag gumagawa ako ng reaction video, mostly sa GMA singers, Julian San Jose, Jessica Villarubin, Hannah Priscillas, kung hindi kayo familiar sa kanila, magagaling talaga silang kumanta, mga GMA singers. So, parang alam mo yung naramdaman ko talaga yung the way silang murmur, mag-adlibs, alam mo yung feel na feel mo din talaga. Anyways, sabi ko, chika, ganito ako pag pupunito ko yung ginagawa ko ng reaction video, ang dami kong poses. Parang dami kong dami kong gustong i-share. Diba ang klase nila, no? Oh, ganda. Vocals. Okay. Sexy. Okay. Oh, Althea? Diba? This is one thing that I noticed about her. The way she look at the camera. She's really, really sexy. Full of emotions. So, the emotions are overflowing. Diba? Yan yung sinasabi ko, dear. Yan talaga siya. Diba? Oh, dynamics. Oh my God. Wait. Dang! Did she do some transition or flip there? Parang may flip akong narinig. Parang meron akong narinig na clip. Oh, the harmonization. This is Jazz, right? Oh, low notes. Grabe talaga siya tumingin sa camera. Pag tumingin siya sa camera. Ay! Magkapareha sila ng boses. Ay, kontrakto. Linis. Harmonization. Grabe, ang ganda ng harmonization. Ang linis talaga, dear. Ang linis talaga. Anong name ng isang girl? Wait. Mamaya ko na i-research. Who is the one who's making a low notes there? Napakapulido ng low notes niya. The control. Alam mo yung lahat ng dynamics ng boses or vocal techniques ginamit nila dito. Control, the way they harmonize. Perfect. Love that. Oh! Ang ganda! Ang ganda pala talaga nila kumanta. Ang galing talaga silang kumanta. Ooh. What was that? What was that? This is the most played. Nakikita ko sa YouTube. Ayan o. Most played siya o dito. Most played. Most replayed. Yes. Nice. Ganda. Galing, magaling. Oh, ganda ng boses. Wow. Grabe yung control nito, oh. Parang nagiging favorite ko na din siya. Mabalik sa'yo. Ang linis ng mga boses nila. Smooth. I love it. Love it. Galing, ang galing. Ang galing. I love that. Magaling. Tapos na. Yun na yun. Ano ba yan? Nabitin naman ako for today's video. So yan na din naman for today's video from G22 Performs Babalik Live on Wish 107.5. Kasi isa to sa mga most requested sa comment section talaga na kailangan ko daw talaga i-check. This is KJ Vlog. See you in my next vlog. Bye!